update across South Sudan. Our first top story is Andret flee Tambura in Western Equatorial State. Fear and violence are once again forcing families out of their home. A local official in Enzo County have reported that hundreds of people, mainly women, children, and the elderly, are fleeing renewed fighting in Tambura County. According to County Commissioner Abel Sudani, the displaced began arriving on Saturday. 4 different camps have now been set up across Ezo to host them. Commissioner Sudani explained that the situation has become unbearable for civilians. Even church compounds, once considered safe haven, were attacked last week. A home belonging to one displaced family was also destroyed on the process. The commissioner described the atmosphere as deeply insecure. People simply do not know where to go. Humanitarian needs are urgent. There is little food, no proper water supply, according to the report, and health services are almost non existent. Uh, Many of those who arrived are widows or children without parents. And the Commissioner Sudani appealed to aid group and to the government to step in immediately. He said, these people have nothing. They lost their home. They lost their security. They are now looking for peace and place to sleep. Tambura has been in crisis since 2021, marked by revenge killing, ambushes, and targeted attack. The new wave of violence is only making life harder for civilians who have suffered for too long. Let's take a look at the violence in Bor that left 5 dead and around 8 injured. We now turn to Jonglei State, where violence has once again shaken Bor County. At least 5 people were killed and 8 others wounded in 2 separate incidents on Saturday. The first incident happened in a surprising place, a football ground, what was meant to be a sporting event between Bor County and Ural East County, turned deadly after tension between the Nyara and Pari community, boiled over. One person was killed in the confrontation, though. Later that day, a more serious attack took place. Gunmen identified as members of the Red Belt group ambushed a convoy of government officials returning from a wrestling event. This is a new group by the name Red Belt. Nobody knows they are new, but here is what the commissioner said. According to Commissioner Samuel Ateng, the convoy fell into an ambush near the market in Bor town. Security forces and the attacker exchanged gunfire. 3 civilians were killed in the crossfire, while 2 national security officers and 3 Red Belt members were wounded. Commissioner Aten said the Red Belt has now become more than a youth group. Originally, these were young men who protected their cattle using weapons they bought or acquired, but today they act more like an anti-government militia. And this is what the commissioner said. What happened showed clearly that, you know, Red Bill is no longer just ordinary use in Boton. They attack government official, that is a rebellion. That's what they said. The incidents have left Bor on edge with the resident fearful that more clash could follow. So this is a new group emerging in Boton, a group associated to the youth that live in Bor. Our third story uh, three special court bar two Machar defense lawyer. This is according to what happened today. Turning to the capital, Juba, we focus now on the high-profile trial of suspended Vice President Dr. Riek Machar. On Monday, the special court barred two of Machar defense lawyers, ruling that their legal license had expired. Judge James Alala explained that Werinyang Kir and Deng John can only return to the defense team once their documents are renewed. This reduced Machar defense team to 4 lawyers, led by Dr. Gary Raimondo Lege. The disqualification come at a time when the case is attracting attention both locally and internationally. The charges against Dr. Riek Machar include treason, murder, and crime against humanity, all linked to violence in Nasser County earlier this year when the Nueri Youth Wyoming, a civilian army, clashed with the SSPDF in Nasser. Still in Juba, the special court has cleared the way for the trial of Dr. Yang Machar to begin on Wednesday. Dr. Machar lawyer tried to block the trial, arguing that under the 2018 peace agreement or peace deal, cases of serious crime should be handled by a hybrid court to be set up by the African Union. But Judge James Alela dismissed the objection, saying the hybrid court does not yet exist until it is created. South Sudan court will continue to handle such cases because still hybrid court has not yet been established. So that was the reason why they rejected the objection by the lawyer or defense lawyer from Dr. Riek Machar. The judge also dismissed claim that Dr. Riek Machar enjoy immunity from persecution. He said only the president has constitutional immunity, not the vice president. This ruling means the court will now move to the full trial phase, where both sides will present evidence and witnesses. The most dramatic moment in this trial so far came when prosecutor officially read out the charges. According to lead prosecutor Joe Oisa, the March 2025 attack in Nasser was a coordinated operation. He told the court that it was not random clash, but planned and financed assault led by the SPLIO leader under Dr. Riek Machar command. Well, the indictment accused Machar and senior allies of organizing the Y Army militia to attack a government garrison. Dozens of soldiers and civilians were killed. Some were executed after surrendering, and others were thrown into the Soba River, according to the report. The prosecution listed several top SPLIO officials, including Petroleum Minister Port Kang, Lieutenant General Gabriel Doblam, and others. The charges are serious murder, treason, terrorism, war crime, and financing terrorism under South Sudanese law. The prosecutors say they plan to call over 100 witnesses, bring forensic evidence, and even request to try some suspect in absentia. This trial is one of the most important since South Sudan became independent. Its outcome will have deep impact on politics, peace, and justice in South Sudan. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight or today, news has shown us that the painful reality facing South Sudan people, displacement in Tambura, bloodshed in Bor, and a court case in Juba that could change the nature future. These are difficult times for South Sudan, but they are also movements that call for unity, peace, and accountability. Jo lat kone me right kon commandant and sure the lat re which ke Juba and Wale she kon right ki cha dong wan cha kalat. Gwa the me ba jon ke mala yitin kon tin churi and laden Wale. Kenyam channel right commandant to Western Equatoria. Western Equatorial State chi na chi dwal tin long cha ne tungwan an winimi cha ka joj jidori gwad mi cha dwel cha ka wangtin chi local official chi kan jomo chi kan lat gwad cha ka Ezo County chi ka report chi kan la no ne di chop ka kure wonyam duno cha kula do ne tungwan long ka men ka gat ken ne tidit wa chi rodian bar gwad dan chi korje twoktin ka Tambura County. According to County Commissioner Wun Mishala Abel Sudani chala do ne chane to ngwan long cha ka jo ka wa chi ka chup doron chal ka Ezo wa ngwad mi cha te ka kem cha leptin ka jen Saturday Pai Way and wo biketetina manimi cha gwad mu gwa cha je ke chi mal che banan wenamo. Commissioner Sudani chala do ne jen ken situation and when mi cha baje long connecting county la jiwe ke civilian ajane chang dwel kusne got kola na rodin kula tawtin michi korche tuok keneto ne to ngwan wenamo wa shushkatin ba wa tandur ti nare loktin ba wa ngode dor ton chaka daki chaka daki chaka destroy ko dana chi tuok alo tela gwad mila se place gwad dana chi korche tuok te Commissioner chela do ne ajane gwad mi che teken security midida lonka Tambura jenene to ngwan gor kan dok ka tela gwawu katin wana chicken tan kana ger lo tela gwat mi chungatin kalat ken no gor ge jano bade ka dok kan ka tela kan until right now they need humanitarian urgent ko de kan dok ka gwadan ticketing shi ne to ngwan kala do ne na gwat mi tela kan tin tela piu ka kani ta pola point bej bolon ka ta dana to ngwan tiken ge je re guje dana chicken latin wo che tok tin ka Tambura kurling korme kurkam SSPDF kene SPLIO chine mangai kono SPLIO chawrin mat ka jidwaran chwal ke churin mat ke Thomas Cirillo la parmin chwal ke National Salvation Front chicken kum SSPDF chicken joj ka chicken ne kola National Security Service cha dorin cha jenang chile me chaling no ngai kono banu ne ka gwase dane shi korshe to ga je ke 2021 rai wujin binimi shi wuji mi cha take mi shala ben kelin ke nak na rin tin Tambura to kon dia ngaje no take communal violence mi to tin banu won ka ta dana shi kim yadi chana te ko kot ke je so jo me de yen ngano chi rek ma jaten yes pila yu kan SSPD rai wujin binimi ka Tambura kor jaten so di yen le mi shana mana lere ro gwase men gurno ban ma ye ke ka bor la ka jongle chala do shane de shop de cha kan gwade dan ji kor yet waktin na me have the dio je cha je ling bane re we ke jongle state chala do shi kor cha ro de min yok ro de ka bor county jermana ana dong channeling tem cha kulat gwasa me awach ne dang de shi ka liu kane dang badak ti cha mo ka bot wa na me gwan ji kor cha to gwan ti go chen gwada kel bade within jongle ke bor town koran yam man chalat gwasa me wa to ka football ground gwan mi mo nganatin and gwasa money la jibur county kene Yirol East County wa kene wa ngar kan gwada mo ani chi ko kech kam nyara kene paria community and when mo ne shwaram kel gwada mo chwa nak ka joran chi kana lat shwaram kel chwa nak kan gwada mo chu kor chu to ka changa do dien chala do chete karing mi chi to lo chere me pandio je chana jenen to Nathan Chalke Red Bell Group by the way bon me pipen bon me tiken kamach tiken kamach at tikaka bon pai kamrar dor Chalke bor ka jongle state so che togon wona ne shi kane to cha mech cha eliminate kon tilla jikuma la government SSPDF alo chicken government vehicle chicken surrounded ke chicken gol Chalke Red Bell Group and gwada money wa chu kan ne ko la government ke SSPDF chu kan ga chu barkel ke police ni mi jaka ko and gwada money wa chu na chu kan kanak according to commissioner wudi shala samula ten kana convoy dien kana she pen cambush gwad mi tie ke market ke katuk kana chu security forces kan ne ko ten gwada mo wa chu kan kor mo kana tok ware kor mo ne cha ne dang doctor la civilian sha kanak no ka chwane tin la SSPDF la National Security Officers chwane ro chwa nakaka ni re kor mon kene ko nakana wa ke Red Bell members Red Bell cheme chala rina won jeno group jidit bi pachak rewej bor ane to kwai ka bat rudian ka muni ka jang an gwal dan tiketen aloke din ka use ka jodan chalat wani de ti ten chare re le ka ti shale red bell group ni wa kan cha ga jig bi ni ba lo chere mi kan it kwa sponsor somewhere dong e juba jang ko ni juba ka joran chalat ke je en group chale red bell wa pa chak wa ken panken wa kan ni de latin kan kok no won alo ke civilian ni but ke ngene ke use cha ko la do ne ti ni dio ja ngai ke kuma no won kuma jan cha ko la do teme the dobre shi kan government shi kan attack je wanyu de jan wo ken shi kala rebel ki ku ka rebellion ku kan shagre wucin gunami wanta man ni boton right corner wachina chi ka jel dwal na long reide ka jora na chalat ne a group that yen which are red bell group within boton most of them work ngani ki use jane ta jo ma cha jo kwen so ka gwada na chi ke tok tin ne dang die chi ka liu ka ne dang badak ti ka bot re win bot ka jong le state cha report me cha jala de ken Jordan Guas man bana ling bana rachin okay kui Dr. Riek Machar ken ju kware take mi goro be nyo ay kel Guas me ka tadan en cha raje me cha jalat ke je chala do ne re wiki juba wa cha Dr. Machar walle ka chanya ndang bang wan cha trial ki luk cha nyo mo to ke je ka jen special code dan cha tok me cha tok walla cha ne dangro tilan ne Dr. Machar cha ka suspend ke cha ka bear cha ka watch lo chicken be a part of different lawyer ka Dr. Machar wa do badan en work ka judge won mishal ka je misalala jara madana shi different lawyer Riek Machar wurin yankir kan wudu di mishal deng John cha ka wojan gwa dan en sinamo cha tuoktin cha ga jogo no loje jok do badan en work ka je cha nang ra police no of course police ka fa nang ra wa kan license kien tinde ko kula lo different lawyer ka je wa kan renew kala ka je no netin konti ko ku kan renew ka netin konti la ji kuma ba ala ne kimi yadi chala no chireng ma cha different lawyer kan ta ma ci do ne dangwan ka jo dana chalat ramdan la ko rien Dr. Gary Raimondo Legi ke kulu al kul ka jo dana chalat wa do dana ko disqualify ka je chairman channeling o kan license kan ka renew ka jo dana chalat ka jem chaga jogo no mugori no bia lunjok gwad danen ko lukten gori jeno en go bia konwe ka Minister of Justice bia wa appeal ke ki bia ka lado man kapi chonje so mi chaga renew then bia ko lunjok gwad mani so man bana ngai gwad me Riek Machar wala kan ne katin kon tike kel tila ganuri kan chaga charge cha Dr. Machar cha ka charge ke treason murder kind of crime against humanity ka joran cha lat ka je kaman kwa ka jaj ka je riga dan ci to ka Nasir County ka riga dan ci to ka pa diok no jen do be dan cha men ke jena ci laran wale cha ga charge ka mi na man rai wi ka jubu ci man ngai kon ka special court cha la do ne trial dung Dr. Machar ki lugu ba luga wa ba nyo ko mi kwa je continue ka chanka diok but chan na ngaji ne te mi chalat gwase me wa lawyer nying Dr. Machar kanon wo an walle de ka right book ku 2018 peace agreement ki peace jele dan an case me wa a serious crime and should be handled by the hybrid court but chikana look kanetin kontila ne kume ki ne kontila jilok no kenene me tine ka power mi cha kamne tele magoro bnawo ba hybrid court ba je lad no teten ka jan kan establish e wiki juba ko hybrid court ala mi a serious crime kala ja lugone alo gore jen wodi ji international community bade ka lele appears but chikane go jeno ne ti kan special court kan cha kam long ke power ko bi Riek Machar bi kan look Riek Machar ka do badana chala ka constitution chala no jen tele ne ti tele ka power ki special court lo de Riek Machar de kan look je tele jen chala no mi chikane me ngai ka jen wo mi cha look netin content re wiki juba la special court wa tele chuong mi de jing mala dung Riek Machar ko kan netin content kula ga ka Riek no ka gorga jen o de ka Riek de kan put behind bar but ki kujamo cha appealing cha jere jaki me chika la no hybrid court de akone ko de kan netin con tin la ne Dr. Machar ko point Riek Machar point kan netin con de ka look but cha ga jogo no chi jen cha ye look cha look manan chalat Judge Miss Alala she can dismiss allow objection and she can Latin hybrid court de na madeje lado can no kine gor ko hybrid court she exists ka South Sudan until it is created that is when South Sudan can continue working there, but can know tell me shalo ba hybrid court ba jelo go she can dismiss me chana many international community they lokaje of course ko ngai ke jango ala ring ma cha ramedit but you kuma kem yadi chala do jaram dan to community men de judge hybrid court ikani wudi shal ka me kem yadi chi ring ma cha anyok Ramadan and right ko sha de suspend ka kwere morai constitution ka kwide la revitalize peace agreement kani kirma yadi but kirma yadi te ka lwanko bering machar baje suspend che kemen chelel ka te ka lwanko jen baje bering machar baje lukre which bering machar ne kenyam charge de look ko jen wate ke immunity ke te ka power but ka kor me cha power charge which wa charge jako chere karam mala civilian tama ki civilian so te ka lwanko de jen look ka joran chalat gwasme banman chitwo genene according to lead prosecutor kanidi konti la prosecution ki prosecuted team won michalka ajo jala do ne jene ka kore da na chito ke 2025 gwate chikore to tin ka nasir kanene kani shi team dakyang machar kan jikware wa chikan coordination chikan lat kanidi kon la telanwe wayami la nuer civilian use tin konte chikore kana terkel ke SSPDF kane SPLIO taken kelling ka nor wayami kane tin kon tin joke nor wayami no yen the SSPDF cha jo mo cha jala according to report and kan lat gwasme jenda na bogoro baladje no kane cha korme cha to pa cha to bang it was not a random clash but a planned and financed assault led by SPLIO leader under Dr. Machar command chikan jo mo chikan lat kana riang Machar jaram dan tika coordination kel kana bona dan tika je karam dan kana accuse along wenme potkang la minister petroleum potkang chikana goin lorabang goin kana ko jena ganasser shio jena tika dior michalat potkang tene ka juba adoba di andera ringa je bon tong mi ba korba joto no but all the cases gwate dan chiko ye toktin ki denji ga liu ka chi civilian chi ga liu no cha kin de dialti cha galat win and kontila ne Dr. Machar ka joran chalat gwasme michir kana me jake Dr. Machar kana senior official ko ken ba ka dwech ko chinwar chi yet ka SSPDF re which kanasir anyok chi right gwatme kana tiken 100 of eyewitnesses native motila native ko korte which tichinen gwade dane to rekten no kanena kani top government top SPLIO official ko kum SPLIO petroleum minister Potkang Lieutenant General Gabriel Doblam keneneti ko ken watikin ketet ko koredane to kanasir ka jodan chikana lat gwasme keneka chanka dok bikan 100 of eyewitnesses bikan kadil no gwadan waluk waje luktin to bikan bulada no chari ga me chaja lat ala bikan ben testify no ka suppodian ke kume morai ke kirma yadi chi suppodian ke netin kon tila kume Dr. Machar anyogan gwaza man chikala no batike evident ko ken to bikan ka kamrar chike take recone ka WhatsApp ke messenger many MTN communication channel dialen kon tere which ka South Sudan tin chi gari right ka jona lat keneje kani shigan ko collect all this evidence ken yok ba ken chaga jak information bo anware ban shaba gajen do dong biya ga anware ko ken biya nenten ko skin reality misha coordinated already and etin content tere which in winami shet ke do kolare chiganetin content kel ka bun war ko ken content kel ke self ke mayadi so michit gana me emle ro da intame key talk so they contact ngej katen kona lat korodian and wale engo muete alo chinat chikan gorno bi ken mission me bi ken gwich ka dob dande ken gwich je biya ngajin wonene ari katen so bi ke to cha jo me cha je kwen re wichin winami ka gor jen wode je nyaka ye kel ko jen mandan shoda lat no mi jira me jidit gwasa me gor jen ujin bi chang fa YouTube channel no bijen nyaka ne ko ken ke bijen nyaka rodi ko de lerti de kan chamala shu chere mandana gor kone so jen jodan en gore de nyaka kon kel ani ban je kala rodien chu per jeno bi channel bije support ki bije subscribe ani bi atakamal no chu je per jeno jen bi nyane de ko ken ani bye bye